limit extending to 0 sin x by x is equal to 1. Just recall from where we got it. We know that sin x is less than x is less than tan x. Of course, equal to sign can also be used when x equal to 0. So from where only we got it. Now for this problem, limit extending to 0 plus they gave. 0 plus, we can write this as sin x by x and x and root x. So this step becomes limit extending to 0 plus sin x by x into root x. That is the reason they gave 0 plus. Because so domain of root x will be positive real numbers. So this is nothing but 1 into 0. So finally we get 0. So most important point is 0 plus. Why they have 0 plus? Because domain of root x is x belongs to positive real